Hey guys, good folks over at Teslong gifted me this quick fix toolkit. It's model TS01P07. Looks like it comes with a hammer, a crescent wrench, and a little screwdriver. We'll get it opened up and see what else it comes with, so stick around. Comes in a nice hard plastic case. Little handle to carry it by, that's nice. Looks like it has release latches over here on the sides. Or on the ends. I think it's got, yeah, let's push that and see if it opens. Yeah, that's the release right there. Undo the ends and then push that button in and it'll come right open. Up our little user manual here. A little pad here to keep it organized, help keep it organized. What is this? Oh, it's a tape measure. That's cool. Never quite seen a tape measure like that. Seems to work really well. Nice. Oh, that's kind of neat. What I was talking about kind of neat, right inside here, it's got little clips to kind of keep it in place a little better. Here's that tape measure. Really neat. I've never seen one shaped like that. Comes with needle nose pliers, crescent wrench. What is this? Oh, okay. Goes on the end of your hammer, doesn't it? Kind of makes it a rubber mallet, if you will. That's cool. Funny shaped hammer, but it'll get the job done. Got a nice weight to it. Perfect for putting nails in the walls to hang pictures and things like that. Comes with 20 bit pieces for your little screwdriver here. It's got a short one. Take those out. Put that in like that. There you go. You can put it in the longer one, like this. Really quality feeling tools here. Pretty heavy, not heavy duty, but for around the house and small jobs, looks like this will be perfect. Looks like we have a little box cutter. Yep, there's a little razor blade in there. Utility knife, I guess they call them. Got the clips to keep that stuff locked in good. Oh, spring action. We'll open up. That's nice. Really a nice little set here. 28 tools and all, counting the 20 bits. Counting putting this little rubber tip on the hammer, making it a rubber mallet. So basically 28 tools, all in one small box. So if you're looking for a nice little handy toolkit to keep in the kitchen cabinet or, you know, in the house for quick jobs, you got your crescent wrench, needle nose, hammer. Really nice set. Definitely a thumbs up. I like it. So if you're looking around for tools and things like that, I'll put a playlist right here that might have what you're looking for. Go check it out if you'd like. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.